The Ministry for State Security, or the Stasi in East Germany, were very sophisticated spy catchers. They viewed espionage as a crime, and they had graduate criminalists that were looking to catch spies, to catch dissenters, catch opponents of the regime, and they were trained, they were very thorough, and they were very effective. To become a criminalist, you needed to graduate from East Berlin's Humboldt University. At the end of your degree, you were given a Criminalist Kit. We are fortunate to have several in the museum, and it looks to be almost an all-in-one MacGyver kit. In actuality, it was used to gather evidence, to catch spies, but also very effective when you wanted to do a covert entry, you wanted to plant a bug, and you wanted to do some of the other activities that spies do. Criminalist kits at one time were the same, but they kept evolving. As the service would come up with new additions, new pieces of equipment, new advancements, they would all be changed. And we're fortunate to have the inventory of this kit at the time it was produced. So every piece of equipment, from marking evidence to planting ultraviolet inks, to measuring, to photographing, to using small chisels, a small lever to remove baseboards, it is an all-in-one kit. And it folds up in what appears to be a simple camera case or a small leather valise. So it could be inconspicuously carried into a building, a residence, a workplace without ever gathering any attention. And this is the type of equipment that made operating as a spy in East Germany one of the most dangerous places in the world to be.